The RC Tank Biathlon is about to start and the audience is thrilled, just as excited as our brave contenders. And here we have them. First out is Germany, represented by the Armatech Tiger. Look at the sun shining in that bare metal, what a beauty! And all the way from the United States comes this beautiful Sherman M4, the pride of the red, white and blue. Can we get a wave to the audience from the American? Yes, there we are. And from the UK we have the FV107 Scimitar. This ought to be a close race since the Scimitar is known for its speed and maneuverability. Can the competition keep up? This just in, Germany has a second contender, the mighty Jagdtiger. Look at that side armor, it's thicker than the Magneo line. The UC is here seen rushing across the tracks. That's the signal to our competitors to take position at the starting line. And here we see them lining up, engines revving. And they're off. But oh no, the Jagdtiger broke down. What a shame for the German team. They are coming in hot in the first bend and it looks like it's a tie, but the Scimitar is taking the lead. Out on the first straight, and it's clear that the Scimitar is the faster vehicle with the Sherman and the Tiger close behind. Going into the right corner before the second straight, and the Scimitar is leaving the competition in the dust. Look at that little tank go. But the Sherman is not far behind, but it's unlikely he can keep up with the Scimitar. But what's this? The turret on the Sherman is moving. My God, I have never seen anything like this. The Scimitar is out, England is out after a well-placed shell from the American tank. Look at that replay, what a shot. The Sherman is coming up on the last straight and across the line. The Tiger is second, just a tank length behind. The winner of the RC Tank Biathlon 2021 is the M4 Sherman, with the Tiger finishing second and the Scimitar third. What a race, ladies and gentlemen, what a race!